Hey, how does some breakfast sound?
It's the most important meal of the day.
We're going to go to the Red Cabin in South Windsor as part of our 20 Towns in 20 Days. We're going to learn more about it starting on Eyewitness News at 4.
But as a special treat for Great Day Connecticut, the chef prepared us a meal. You can have it for dinner. Take a look.
All right, good afternoon, everybody. We got Todd and we got Executive Chef Ricky here. We're going to do California Eggs Benedict and a Crazy Tot Skill. That's a fairly new one, added onto our menu recently. So Ricky, let's get started. We always put down some EVOO, a little extra virgin olive oil. We're going to do our shredded home fries. We're going to add some potatoes for the Crazy Tot skillet. And we like to caramelize everything, like to saute everything up, get them nice and crispy. And we like to season everything up as well. Salt and pepper, chef. Yep, so go ahead. So what we do here is we hit this with a little clarified butter, just to bring out a little caramelization underneath. We can drop our onions and peppers for that. Ricky actually roasts a top round sirloin every Monday, different seasons, lets it sit, bake it for about 2-3 hours, 350 degrees, and then we freeze it and shave it down. That's what he's gonna put down. That's gonna be for the Crazy Tot skillet. That's about a 6-ounce portion. It's kind of a lot for breakfast, but we want everybody to go home happy. So the California too also gets guacamole, spinach, tomato, gets a fried egg, and then when it's all done, we're going to top it with a little bit of sun-dried hollandaise, which chef has over there. So we're going to let this gently cook right here. So these are just two of the items that's going. As you can see, usually during on the weekend we'll have 250, 300 covers, so it gets a little tight on the griddle, it gets a little craziness. We can drop our tots for that. Those are going to go right on top of there. We can also add a little bit of cheddar cheese, a little mozzarella to that. So there's a little bit of different components in here. There you go. There you go, chef. There, right there. And if you want, you can start. You want to start a couple over easies. We can start that. Both these dishes do get obviously your breakfast place. We did get fried eggs, although you can request scrambled eggs, poached eggs, anything you'd like. We're here to please. Most of the times, most of our dishes come with your choice of toast, cornbread, biscuits. This particular dishes automatically come with the biscuit and cornbread. This griddle is usually set at about 350, 400 degrees, so it cooks everything pretty quickly. California Eggs Benedict, that's going to come with homemade fresh guacamole, which Ricky makes during the week. We just mash it together, keep it simple, salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, a little bit of lime juice, lemon juice, mix it all together. It comes out really nice. Kind of make it a little bit on the thick side so it's not too loose. One of the things that I like with, I'm a sauce guy, so we like to top everything with sauces, although you don't have to. We do have a lot of sauce on the side. Just adds a nice little touch, a little flavor. So he's just starting to finish up his 2 items. And you can start assembling, Ricky, whenever you can. So, and again, we keep these particular items come with over easy eggs, although you can get them any way you'd like. I'll start setting up the plates. Then we have other dishes called the mess. So that's a Crazy Tot skill that he's working on right now. I was going to slide over here.
That's our next biggest seller here.
Maybe in the shop. There you go, right there. So if you want, you can start assembling that. We'll do that. We have our guacamole so people can see what's going on. So we have our guacamole right here. Ricky, you want to put a little tomatoes on there and spinach? please. And chef, we're going to need the tots on that. There we go, right there. So California Eggs Benedict. And we're going to finish this off with a sun-dried tomato hollandaise, and this is going to get a Southwest ranchero sauce on it. A little different, kind of fun. Down right there, we'll get a little biscuit, a little cornbread. You can garnish that off. So that gets finished off. We can put the tots on top. We can leave them on the side. And that gets finished off. Touch of fresh mozzarella here. So that's our Crazy Tot skillet.
California Eggs Benedict.
And that's our California Eggs Benedict. So hope everybody enjoys it. If there's anything else that we can do, just let us know. We do everything to order. Keep it nice, keep it fresh. And that's about all she wrote. Thank you very much.
Okay.
That's a lot of food there.
That is a lot of food there.
All right, and coming up on Eyewitness News, Caitlin Francis will have a closer look at the Red Cabin in 20 towns in 20 days as it heads to South Windsor.
All right, she talks to the patrons about why they keep coming back.
All right, and coming up here on Great Day, the importance of first impressions and curb appeal.
We're going to be talking with an expert who is sharing some of her advice with us and how to make your home a great first impression before anyone steps inside.
Namaste.
Namaste.
You've heard of yoga with goats, but how about with alpacas?
A unique way to stretch it out here in Connecticut.
We'll be right back, but first, let's get a check on today's news and weather from Studio A.